Another problem many students have is dealing with interruptions while they are working on their academic tasks, especially from roommates and friends. The best way to deal with interruptions is to avoid them by removing yourself from the source of the interruptions, such as studying in the library, as opposed to your dorm room, or turning off your cell phone while studying. If you are not able to avoid the interruptions, there are 3 strategies for minimizing the amount of time interruptions take from you. Number 1, honesty and respect. By merely telling the source of your interruption that you are working on something and now is not a good time, they are likely to understand and allow you to get back to whatever you were doing. Number 2, timing response. By telling the source of your interruption that you only have a specific amount of time, for example, 5 minutes, before you have to get back to studying, leave for class, or anything else, they are likely to minimize their interruption to the amount of time you specify, which will then allow you to get back to whatever you are doing. Number 3, reschedule. By asking the source of your interruption if you can respond to them at some specified time or date in the future, you will be able to delay the interruption to a period of time when it will be more convenient and not disrupt you. It is important to use strategies to minimize interruptions because interruptions can take a lot of time away from you and prevent you from doing the things you need and want to do. Cell phones create a constant source of interruptions. In order to eliminate or reduce the number of interruptions your cell phone creates, it is best to disable all your notifications on your phone and instead designate specific times throughout the day when you will check and respond to your email, text messages, and/or social media. You can check multiple times per day, in the morning, after lunch, in the late afternoon, and/or during breaks between scheduled tasks. That way, no one can accuse you of being unavailable or unresponsive. At the very least, you should disable your notifications or turn off your cell phone when you are reading, studying, or doing homework. Once you have completed the task, and before you begin the next task, you can check and reply to the email, text messages, or social media you have received since the last time you checked. Of course, whenever you decide to check your email, text messages, and social media, it is important to determine the amount of time you will spend checking them and not to exceed it, so that you can ensure that you have enough time to do all the other things you need and want to do.